$4,979. This is how much commission I made in the last 7 days with my passive income business. Guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to grow your online business, how to grow your YouTube channel, and of course, how to grow your affiliate marketing business. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day to help you guys grow your business. Guys, I'm really excited about this video. Now, I don't want you to think of this as like I'm just trying to brag or I'm trying to flaunt what I'm making. Guys, I really want you guys to take this as an inspiration in your business, especially this time right now. If you're watching this, in March, you know that a lot of people are quarantined, they're at home, and the stock market's going down, and it's kind of a scary time, right? But you got to realize people are still trying to learn how to make money. People are still looking to invest in themselves. So that being said, I have a system that works very well, especially in a time like this. I want to explain exactly what I do and how you can start your business as well. I'm going to show you proof and all the income streams that I'm making in the last 7 days. Okay, so the first one, guys, is YouTube. So YouTube, I don't make that much money, but you can see here in the last 7 days, I did $104. So I'm going to pull up my calculator here. So $104.97. Okay, so, this is a nice income stream. Basically, YouTube pays me just to post YouTube videos. Once you're monetized, they'll pay you to post videos, which is really nice, And so I make a good, every month, I'll average about $600 to $700 a month. But in the last 7 days, I made about $100, okay? Now, like I said, once you're monetized, you start getting paid. And I talk about more about that in another video, but this is just one of the income streams, okay? The next one here is Clickbank. Now, I don't actively promote Clickbank at the moment. I still promote, I've promoted it in the past. And you can see here, I made $943.25. So I'm going to add that here. And of course, guys, I'm going to show you how I do this here in a second. I just want to show you the proof on the back end here, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing to make this income, okay? All right, so we're at 1,048. And if we go to, let's see here. If we go to Clickfunnels, this is a Clickfunnels affiliate. So you can see here, $2,313. This is another program I promote here. So $2,313.14. All right. And then last one, guys, and this is my main promotion right now, and this is called Legendary Marketer. You can see in the last 7 days, I've done $1,600.17. So let's add that to the balance, $1,600.17 and 69 cents. All right. Oops. So that comes out to $4,979.05. Almost $5,000 in the last 7 days, guys. Now, I will tell you, I do have I do have other streams that they're not that big at, maybe $200 to $500. But I do have other streams as well. So this is well over $5,000 in the last 7 days. But I just want to show you what I'm doing and how you guys can get started making passive income from your home, okay? And I want to dive deep into what I do, and I'm going to tell you this. It's simple, guys. It's really simple, but a lot of people won't put in the work because it's not easy starting this out, especially when you get started, okay? So let me explain what I do and how you can get started with this business, okay? So what I do, guys, is called affiliate marketing, okay? So what I do is I promote other people's products. I don't have to worry about customer support. I don't have to worry about creating a product. I don't have to worry about fulfilling a product. All I got to do is get people to that product, and it's a product that is already selling, is already proven to do well. And, once I send people to the product I'm recommending, they buy the product and I make a commission. That's basically all I do, okay? So the way I do it, guys, is I'm going to lay this out as simple as possible, okay? So I create videos on YouTube, as you know. But the strategy behind this is I teach people how to do certain things, right? So, for example, my niche is how to make money online. It's affiliate marketing. It's how to grow on YouTube, how to use Clickfunnels. So I create these videos. So let me go to my videos here. And what I do, guys, is I pretty much have videos that I'm teaching people something, and I have my affiliate links in the description below. Now, for example, let's just say this video right here, okay? or let's just say this one here, $100 a day, no website. Okay. So I'm teaching people how to, make $100 a day with Clickbank. And this is kind of a strategy that works. It's not a long-term strategy. Okay. So what I teach people is like kind of the basics of how to start affiliate marketing. And then what I do is I'm like, guys, well, if you really want to learn the best way to do it, click on the first link below. Okay. Now, in all my videos, I always have a call to action where I tell you guys, click on the first link, because that's going to take you to a business challenge where it's going to show you how to start your online business. So you can see here, this is the link here that they go to. Now, the strategy behind this, okay, is first of all, this is an affiliate marketing product. So when people go to this link here, it takes them to this page, okay? Now, this page here is the #1 product I recommend, okay? This is a great product, and I'll explain the product here in a little bit, but I want to talk about my strategy here, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm collecting an email on this page. This is my page, okay? So the goal of this page is to collect an email. Now, as I collect these emails, as someone goes through here, I'm going to show you, as someone goes through here, they're going to go through like a video where I explain what the product is. And then once they go to the next step here, then they're going to go to the actual product, okay? And this is called the affiliate product here, where, if they want to buy the product, they will, okay? Now, this product here, they can go ahead and join. This one's $7, and they can go ahead and join this product. Now, most people won't buy on this page, okay? So what most people do wrong with affiliate marketing is they don't collect leads, so they follow up, okay? So for example, guys, I'm going to go back here, okay? So this is the main page. This is called an opt-in page or a squeeze page, okay? And what I do here is I collect emails. And on this page, most people are not going to buy the offer that I have at the end, right? And that just makes sense, okay? So what I do is I follow up with those people, okay? So I'm going to show you my follow-up sequence here, okay? And this is exactly what I do, guys. Look at this, okay? So once someone enters their emails, I literally have 53 days of emails, guys, just, giving them value, giving them more information on the product, giving them videos, giving them a support center. So I think one of the emails here is, join my Facebook group so I can help them in there. Another one is watch my YouTube video on how to get traffic. So I'm creating a ton of value within these emails, but I'm always throwing them back to that offer that I have for them, okay? Same thing with any other offer I have. It's the same process every single time, okay? Now, the cool thing, guys, is it's really not that hard to do this. I think where people get stuck is they're not consistent with it, okay? So, for example, my main source of traffic is YouTube. I create a ton of YouTube videos teaching people how to do this online business, how to start an affiliate marketing business, how to make money online. Guys, look at how consistent, literally like almost 2 videos a day. 16 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 4. Guys, I'm constantly throwing out content. I'm putting in the work. You guys have to understand that I'm working to grow my business, to grow my brand, and that's how I'm making this income, right? Now, there'll be a time where, I'm just going to go ahead and sit back and relax, and, I can take a month off and I'll still be earning income. Now, I can do that. I have taken, like, for example, I did take a week off a couple weeks ago, actually, and I was still making money while I was out of town. Now, I don't think I can do like a whole month because I've only been doing this 9 months, guys. And I was able to quit my job within 9 months of starting my business. As you know, if you're new to this channel, I started this channel May 2019. Today is March 2020. And I was able to quit my job, right? But what happened, guys, is I put in so much work in the beginning. You guys have to understand this is very, very simple. Literally, I get traffic. I send them to a squeeze page, and then I collect the leads, and then I follow up on those leads. And most people will not buy first, but then they buy day 20 or day 6 or day 23 or day 30. Some people will buy months and months later. And that's how this business works, guys. It's literally the simplest thing you can do, but it's not easy, okay? As far as it's not easy because most people don't want to put in the work, okay? Now, I know a lot of people might get stuck with the technical part and they don't know how to set up a page. They don't know how to set up emails. So guys, what I recommend doing is going through some training, okay? So this training right here, okay? And this is the #1 training I recommend, guys. This is something that it only costs $7 to get started. It's a 15-day business training. It's a challenge, and basically it takes you through how to start your first online business, okay? And it goes through, you're going to get some basic training. You're going to get your own coach. You're going to get your own free business scripts and templates. You're going to know how to start your business. You're going to know the mindset behind it, okay? Now, there's no way I can show you how to set this stuff up in one simple video because there's a lot to it, okay? But what I'm saying is, you guys need to invest in yourself, okay? A lot of people think they can do it for free, and yes, you may, but I didn't start making money until I started investing into myself, guys. And this program right here is only $7. You go through a 15-day challenge. Click the first link in the description below, but you're going to go through, this is the page here, and then you're going to go through and then buy the program for $7, okay? Once you're in the program, you're going to get your own coach, you're going to get your own mentor, and you're going to go through the 15 days, okay? After that, then they're going to let you know the next steps, okay? They're going to either ask if you want, more one-on-one mentoring. They're going to ask if you want to take their higher-end course, stuff like that, okay? But the 15-day challenge is only $7, and they go through the basics of how to start an online business, okay, guys? So if you've gone through this already and you're still stuck, guys, you probably need some one-on-one mentoring. You probably just need, if you still don't know what you're doing, what I recommend, guys, is continue to find your voice, okay? For example, for me, I was starting my YouTube channel, but I had no idea what I was doing when I first started. I myself hired a mentor. Now, a lot of people don't have the money for a mentor. I completely understand that. I actually didn't have money as well. So what I recommend doing, if you've already gone through programs and you don't know what to do, you're stuck, keep watching videos, keep doing what you're doing, but find one platform, okay? So for me, it's YouTube. If you want to do Facebook, Instagram, but find one platform, stick with that one platform, promote only one product, and start there, okay? And then just go from there. A lot of people, what they try to do is, obviously you see me promoting multiple products, right? But guys, I already have a list. I already have an email list that I can literally blast my email list. I have almost 10,000 people on my list. I can send an email to those 10,000 people and literally make money right now, okay? That's the leverage and the power of an online business, okay? But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you how much I was making. Like I said, I don't want to make these videos to brag. I want to show you the power and the leverage that you can have with having an online business. So I hope this video was of value, guys. Make sure to take the 15-day challenge. It's the first link in the description below. Get started with your business, and let's get you going, guys. 2020 is going to be huge. A lot of people are going to be looking to the online space, so this hasn't been a better time to get in the online space. So guys, click the first link, go through that, and let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.